Downtown Doral Park. And somewhere there you can see the cats right here. Vente, caminando. Saludos todos. Yo soy Gringo Malandro. Esto es Gringo's Adventures. I'm sorry I have to do Spanish English because a lot of my followers, I gotta get them on this YouTube channel, are from Venezuela. And this is Doral. They call it Doral Suela because it's got a lot of people from Venezuela that live here. Sí, yo te sigo. I guess he wants me to follow him. No te metas ahí, hay mucha tierra. I'm telling him not to walk on there because there's a lot of dirt. He's gonna end up sleeping in the van in the areas that I sleep, and I don't want to be. Well, I don't want dirt basically on my pillow. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Dónde quieres ir? Allá no. Vente para acá. Vamos para acá. Vente caminando. So he does walk on a leash like a dog. I don't have to pull him. He doesn't wear a harness. He just likes walking. I just walk with him. It's not about like, sometimes he pulls me. Like right now. On occasion we'll jog. That must look strange. A guy jogging with his cat. It's nice and cool tonight. Está fresco. I guess you guys will learn Spanish. I guess Gringo's Adventure will be van life, learning Spanish and English, vice versa. Menor, ¿dónde estás? Vente. Okay, so he likes finding critters and not cats, what do you call it? Yeah, those iguana looking, I don't know. My English is really bad because I spent most of the time speaking in Spanish, and I am a gringo, born in Chicago, but... Alright. ¿Qué buscas? ¿Qué estás buscando? What are you looking for? If he sees anything that moves, he'll be running through those bushes. What in the world is that? A tree? Oh, I've never seen that tree before in that color. Red. Vámonos, caminando. No. Oh my god. Yeah, then he'll get stuck there and then I can't get him out. Vente. It's like, come here. Vente. Vámonos. Vente, menor. This guy pulls like a dog. Yeah, he found something in there. I just hope he doesn't come out like with a rat in his mouth. That would not be cool. Vente. Vámonos. Caminando. Oh, we're gonna go to the trees. We're gonna show you guys what the cat likes climbing up the trees. Vámonos a los árboles, vente. Vamos a subir a los árboles, vente. Vamos a los árboles. Vente. Caminando. Vente. Vamos a subir al árbol. Bueno, tú lo subes, yo no. Telling him let's go climb the tree, but then I'm like thinking for a minute, I'm like, no, you're gonna climb it, I'm not. Come on, súbete al árbol. Hey, these are the trees that who likes climbing. Súbete al árbol, vente, súbete, para que te vean. Estoy grabando un video para que te vean. I said I'm recording a video so people will see. Climb the tree. Súbete. Yeah, at least that's the tree and not my leg. Súbete. Súbete al árbol. Córrele, 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 córrele. Súbete. I want him to jump up on a tree so you guys see. So he'll climb the thing. Hey, súbete, rápido. Nah. So this is a daily routine. He loves walking outside. He cries if I don't, or meows if I don't take him outside. Then and when I'm done with him, I have to take out Nala, the female cat. ¿Qué pasó, menor? Menor is like an expression like the gang members, I guess, thugs and stuff from Venezuela. Oops, ran into a tree there. They'll be like, Epa menor, que lo que? Like, hey dude, what's up? Something like that. I lived in Venezuela for about 3 years, so. Súbete, 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 menor, súbete. No, he doesn't want to climb the trees. ¿No te quieres subir? ¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres? One day I was sitting over here in the park on one of these benches, and there was these two girls sitting on a bench next to me. It was the daytime, and so I pointed like the camera like if I was about to record something, but they thought that I was recording them. It was funny. And I was about to say something, and then I paused for a minute, and then they're like, "Ay, no se estás grabando. You're recording us." And I felt like strange. I'm like, no. But then they walked away. I don't know if you guys ever had something like that happen. ¿Qué pasó, menor? ¿Qué fue, menor? ¿Estás feliz? ¿Estás feliz? Yeah, when he runs into dogs, he gets so happy. I think he thinks he's a dog. But then when he runs into cats, he's like attack mode. Gato malandro. This is Downtown Doral Park. ¿Qué fue, menor? ¿Estás feliz? Gato feliz. Gato. Oh, he's happy. Yeah, I'm rushing the cat because we gotta go back to the van because I remember I left the inverter on. If I don't get to the car in the van and turn it on quickly, I might not be able to because the battery might be drained. Vente, vente. Gato. Yeah, he always finds animals in that area. Vente, vámonos a ver a Nala. Vente, vamos a ver a Nala. A ver a Nala, vente. Hey, 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 vente para acá. I'm trying to get him to come with me back to the van because we need to start the van quickly. Because if not, we're not going to have a battery power. And then I need a jump start. I don't want to go through that again. I've gone through that about 3 times since last month. I'm telling him, let's go see Nala. Vamos a ver Nala. Vente, vente, vente. Nala's the female cat. Vamos a cruzar, vente. Tell him we're gonna cross the street. A cruzar, vente. He knows how to cross the street. ¿Estás en la calle? Vente para acá. told him, you're in the street, come over here. Aquí a la derecha, a la derecha. No, allá no, allá no, allá no. Vente para acá. He's used to us parking the van over there, so he always goes this way. But today we parked on this side. Vente, vente, vente. I know. Yeah, I'm sorry about the darkness. Oh, now it's really dark. Just gotta get to the van. Start up the van. See if we can. It's hard to get a jump start at night. The other day I was parked on that side over there, that parking lot over there, like where that car is right now. I had to get a jump start. Nobody would give me a jump start. Nobody. I went into a Publix supermarket, and one lady's like, "Oh, a lady that works there." She's like, "I'll give it to you. I'll see you in a little bit." Never came. And it was like 6 in the morning, and I had to pay for a tow truck, like $50 for call a tow truck. The tow truck didn't even come. It was just some guy with a jump starter thing, $50. But I got the job done. Alright, we're over here at the van. I gotta get in the van and start it, and then let it run for a little bit, and then walk. Nala. Vente. Vente, por favor. So basically, I tell him to get into the car before Nala jumps out. I tell him in Spanish. Okay, let's open the door. Gotta have one hand free. Okay, súbete ya, súbete, 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 vente, súbete. Antes de que salga nada, córrele, súbete. So I jumped in. Now I gotta start the car. Oh man. Déjame quitarte eso. I have to take the leash off so he doesn't run around with the hole. Alright. I hope the car starts. If not, we're screwed. Oh my god, it doesn't start. Turn off the inverter. I knew this was gonna happen. Yeah, electrical problems.